Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you've heard of ghost apps, right? Communicate with ghosts. Now, inside the ghost apps, every ghost app that has a dictionary, phonetic dictionary, has numbers
Breakfast
in the dictionary. And then the entities will say the number, a code signal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, using XYZ axis. And the magnetic field in the phone.
Shoot.
The phone has a magnetic field? Yes, it does. Has Wi-Fi? Yes, it does. Many other functions in it. Bluetooth, which is Wi-Fi, which is microwaves. There's many signals coming through this, which has a dictionary,
Sack,
which has numbers that can produce words, and spirits will use that like a Morse code. Now, here's how to use the paranormal to win lottery numbers. You say a date, and you ask the spirits, what numbers do I need to win on this date?
born,
Per example, let's say I want to win the lotto on Friday, October 31, 2018. Right? Then the spirits will say a few words in response. So, you go on the internet and you find yourself a website called
taste,
Geometrinator. Turns letters into numbers.
dinner,
There you go. They're made a word. Oregon. Now, I typed in I win lotto Friday, October 31, 2018. The numbers that came up, reduce those numbers.
town,
Correct. Now the lotteries, the numbers that showed up were these. Now imagine using those numbers to increase your chances to win the lottery.
animals,
Okay, so I win lotto produces these numbers. I is the 9, win is 23, 9, 14, lotto is 12,
digging,
15, 20, 20, 15, Friday is 6, 18, 9, 9, 9, 9. You see that? October is 15, 3, 20, 15. You see that? Equal to 78. 31 is 31 to the equation of 4. 2018,
6,
you get 11. Now, let's find out if that was correct. Now, this clue comes from communicating with ghosts and spirits. Let's go to the lottery
interest,
corporation in my town. So that on Wednesday, October 31, 2018, the lottery results were 4, 9, 11, 15, 25, 27, bonus 5. 4, 9, 11. Okay. Now let's go back to the Geometrinator websites.
legion,
And what do we get? Look here. Lottery results 9, 4, 11. So had I played those numbers, I would have got it right on October 31st. 4, 9, 11, 15. Now, so that's correct, right? See, if you go to this website, Geometrinator, and I bet you there's a correct method. I bet you there's a correct method and code to figure it out. I just typed in
muse,
can see it very well right here. There it is. I win lotto Friday, October 31, 2018, and it gave me the numbers for that date. 4. Of course, think about it. When you write down lotto numbers, don't you write down on the ticket the lowest number first? So I would have written down 4, and then 9, and then 11. Then the other lowest number would have been 46, which is the equal of 23, 9, 14 of win. Then you can't put 82 because the numbers don't go that high, or 63 or 78.
Relax.
So you're kind of stuck there, right? Not really. Check this out.
Mouthwash.
I just ate some chips.
Matrix.
I need some mouthwash. Now, to hit the lottery correctly on the 31st, this is a past number. So if I had to play that, I would have got it right. I would have got 3 numbers right. I'm going to that website and typing in I win lotto with the date 4/9/11.
Stick. Lawyer.
4
Penny.
9/11. See now? Say, well, the next number would have been 46. There's no 46. There's no 46. What's the next number? 15. So 4/9/11. I would have played for sure. 15, non-existent on that combo, right? By typing in on Gemini Trader, I win lottery Friday, October 31, 2018.
Reficio.
So where's the 15? Well, you take your first number, 4, plus your next lowest number, 9. And what's that? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Those.
13. Do we have 13? 9 plus 4. 9, 10, 11, 12,
Monday.
13. Do we have 13?
Crayon.
No, we do not. So the trick is, you're right. Right now you're probably laughing, ha ha ha, right? But the trick is to find out
Language.
if how the Gemini Trader is guessing the lottery numbers. It guesses the first ones correctly. But how is this showing up? 15, 25, 27. Is it in the GeminiTrader.com? I would for sure have played 4, 9, and 11. So now it's up to you to figure out the rest. I mean, what would have been the lowest one after that?
Scene.
14? Right? Would have been 14, right? Or an 8, or whatever. So there's some sort of math equation to figure that out. What does spirit communication have to do with that? Because it works the same way with numbers and signals and words. When they speak words, the words have numbers, and the numbers are coded, and they use a certain number code generation, which makes the dictionary spit out the word that the spirits want. Now, using that technology, using that technology to win the lottery.
Chimp.
That is the secret. That is the secret right there. And this is just a quick video for you people that play the lottery. Look at that. 4/9/11. Had I played those 3 numbers, I'll try it yourself. Go to www.Gemetrinator and then say the lottery's coming out this Friday for you. Type glasses. Yeah. He has eyeglasses. Type in I, or your full name maybe. I win lotto on the Friday, October 31st, 2018. The date that your lottery is coming out.
Indirect.
And then go to your Gemini Trader list. And then you can play these numbers, the main power numbers. which lowest to highest. So it would have been a 4,
Dog.
a 9, and 11. For that date, 4, 9, 11. Now, where's the 15, 25, and 27 coming from? Because when I added the 4, the lowest with the highest, 9, I got 13. So what's next? With the 9, 14?
Want.
I mean, what numbers are next? 15, 25, 27. Did that show up? Yes. Below the power numbers, there's a 15. Yeah.
Tall.
There's a 25 and a 27. There's a 25. But there's no 27. So, is it division?
Pierce.
Would you have to divide 9 to 4, and 11? I mean, is it multiplication? I'll leave you with that big mystery. But once you can figure out how the next 3 numbers were generated, you can always win the lottery through www.geometrinator.com. One quick way to increase your lottery winnings. And say you're playing the Lotto 3, quick picks. Not quick picks. But say your lottery is only 3 numbers. Say this was the lottery.
Alive.
Play 3 numbers to win. I would have had it correctly. On Wednesday, October 31st, 2018. Using Geometrinator. And just type in I win lotto on your
Today.
On your day, your month, your number, and your year. And you play lowest to highest. 4, 9, and 11.
Restore.
Cool. Now you know. You don't have to be good at math. You just have to figure out the equations. And if you can figure out how the 3 are correct from geometrinator.com. But the 15, the 25, and the 27 that came out, where's it coming out? In the combination. Where's the numbers?
Poverty.
Do you add the 9 and the 4? Do you minus the 9 and the 11? What do you do with the other numbers?
Art.
Or, you're going to have to figure out how and where exactly the next 3 combos are coming from. Division, multiplication. Is it putting in
Violent.
the time, Lottery comes out at 11 p.m., 12 a.m., Exactly. You hope for the best and just try the geometrinator.com and you can guess through the Earth's geomagnetic field, just like the spirits communicate with the phone, your lottery winnings. Quick little fun thing you can try with your lottery. If you win the lottery through this, don't forget who taught you how to do this and give me a little tip. So if you win over $1 million, don't forget to give me a tip, huh? Okay, go to www.geometrinator.com. And don't forget, same technology the spirits communicate with. Turning numbers into words through ghost apps. Alright. So imagine that. I type in I win Lotto Friday, October 31, 2018. It gives me lowest to highest I would have played. 4, 9, 11. Then the lowest power number would have been, what do we got here? 46. That's a bit high. Maybe that's what I would have played. But just using that, I would have got correctly 4, 9, 11. Maybe these 3, how are they showing up? Where What mathematical or code equation is those next three numbers here? Where are they?
Affair.
Are they down here? You look at the 25, it's a Y, right? We have 25? 25. Why is 25 a Y?
Shouted.
The letter Y. For year? Year 2018. Is there a 20 or an 18? There is no 20 and 18. But 18 plus 20? Nope. You see what I'm saying? There's codes hidden in this
Reach.
geometrinator. Turning words into numbers. Or phrases into numbers. Or full sentences into numbers. Communication. Anyway, you can at least win the Lotto 3 combos. Increase your chances.
Secret.
Mathematically aligned with the universe. Alright, later people. Brought to you by Paranormal Busters. The link for this geometrinator is below this video. Go try it, go play the lottery, and you just might win. Look at that. 4, had I played on the I win
Farmers.
on the lotto on the Friday of the October 31, 2018, and if I had done a quick 3 play, and I played lowest to highest, which people usually do, the machine does that, 4, 9, 11, I would have won the quick 3 play, 4, 9, 11. Huh?
Hernia.
Now for the rest of the 3 combos, those numbers are there in the geometry. The 23, the 25 is there. 15 is there. But there's no 20, there's no 27s below the letters. So what kind of math would you have to do? You can get stuck doing this like I did. I just showed you. But at least the 3 first ones show up. So geometrinator, good at aligning the numbers with the universe with letters. Win lotto, put your day, month, year, and then play the main power numbers. 4, lowest to highest. 9, that's how the lottery works. 11. And
100.
had I played when it came out on the October 31, if it was just a quick 3 draw, it would have been 4, 9, 11. I would have hit it right in the money and won a couple $100 or such. Now that you know, link is below this video. I'm not affiliated with this website. It's a free tip for you. www.geometrinator.com.
Flow.
Right. Link is below the video. Go play. This trick was taught by the spirits. Ghost app communication is the same as this. Words, numbers. Dictionary has numbers, like a Morse code, and they spit out the words that the spirits need to communicate. Now you know, and you can use this spirit communication method to win the lottery.
Iron.
Said you can use this spirit communication method to win the lottery. Because spirit, earth has a spirit, so says the Bible. Everything, the universe has a spirit, everything. Spirit is just energy that's invisible. You understand? It's not exactly a living entity, but it's a spirit. It's an invisible energy.
Ground.
You guys get it? So type that in on geometrinator.com to increase your lottery winning chances. Because you align your question. So I typed in I win lotto Friday, October 31st, 2018. And I would have played lowest to highest because that's how the lottery works. Power numbers 4, 9,
Located.
11. And had I played, I would have won because 4, 9, 11 was correct. Now these three, the next ones, is up to you. Maybe I know the equation. I just don't want to tell you. Maybe I don't.
Little.
You figure out how did the rest of the combination show up. What numbers would you have to pick to win the full lotto? Something you can go try out. It increases your luck of winning. So good luck.
Disturb.
And if you win over $1 million, don't forget to tip Paranormal Busters. Alright, go out there, have some fun, and don't be a chicken. Go out and try the lottery. Alright, through Geminitrator.com. Must type in I win lotto, the date, the month, the number of the day, the year, and maybe even the time the lottery comes out.
7.
Yep, it helps you predict. See that, Spirit? It helps you predict the lottery winnings.
Rain.
4, 9, 11. And the lottery results was 4, 9, 11. I would have won at least these three if I had to play that. These other three, difficult to figure out. It is here in the equation. It's not on the power numbers. It's on the lower numbers. But there is no 27. So, is it adding? Is it subtracting? You have to take the power numbers and add them together or subtract them together. You have to ask a different question.
Sample.
Not so sure. Alright, so I'm sitting on my feet right now, crisps crossed. Anyway, take your feet and walk on over to the lottery system, the lotto store, your local shop, buy a lottery ticket. Pick your numbers with a Geminitrator. Use this question. And then use your power numbers. 9. He's saying use the hour of the lottery to win. Yeah, cool. Alright, go out and try that. Brought to you Paranormal Busters.
Yes.
Little tip for you to use the paranormal technique of ghost app communication to win the lottery with Geminitrator.com. Ask your question, turn the winning combination to your advantage.
Board.
Increase your luck using science. Alright, guys. I'll bring you more tips in the future, but go try that. You can at least win the lotto pick threes through this method. I'll tell you that. Alright, well, try it, have fun, and if you win, let me know in the comments. And if you win over $1 million, I want a tip. Like a 10% tip. Thanks.
Bones.
Bye-bye. Good luck. You spirits got anything to say to the people? Hello? You put them on the line, they never want to say anything. Hello?
Hard.
September. What about it? What about September? October is naming the months.
Life.
And we are in the October. What do they want us to tell us about September? What about September?
Planet.
Is that when I'm going to win the lottery, or someone watching is going to win the lottery? See that? I think the spirits know. Anyway, go out and try your luck with Geminitrator. Turn words into numbers. And this idea was brought to you by Paranormal Community, by ParanormalBusters.com. We know that this technology turns numbers into words. Ghost apps. And with Geminitrator, you turn words into numbers, the reverse of it. And you can use those numbers to win the lottery. Because if you study the lottery results, you know, 4th week, 9th month, or maybe the
Cancer.
11th month, the year, there's a uh, uh, moon phases, sun phases, you know, there's special numbers and codes. You go study that. If you pay attention.
Adultery.
The lottery numbers always seem to show up on what is it? The October is what month? The 10th or the 11th? You know, you got to know those things. And if you study it, you'll notice there's a pattern. It's always correct. But those are just
Joined.
balls spinning in a thing, and the numbers show up. Yeah, but those numbers have a design, and that design causes a frequency, which is going to increase your chances of winning if you can measure,
Russ.
if you can guess the correct frequency. Increases your chances. Yep, to win the lottery. So gentle now, folks, and run off to your lottery ticket booth and go play the lottery. Go online, geometrinature.com, punch that in with the dates. Just put I win lotto, your date,
Screwful.
and your date, even the name of the lottery maybe, into it. Then play your power numbers, which would be lowest to highest. Lottery always does that. Or 9, 11. And you could possibly win. I would have had these three, right? 4, 9, 11. How much money would I have made there? Something you can try. Anyway, go out, try it yourself.
Quarantines.
Try it yourself, alright? Okay, brought to you by paranormalbusters.com. Goodbye and good luck. If you win, let me know in the lottery. If you win, let me know below. And Rebecca, if you look in the dictionary.
Tune.
Oh my gosh, it's ghost name Rebecca. No, look in the dictionary, the meaning of the word Rebecca. That's what the spirits are saying. Alright, go out, have some fun. This method of winning the lottery was taught to you by Ghost Apps Technology.
Tease.
Get a pencil, write down those numbers so you can win the lottery. Get to it, man. Ladies and gentlemen, go win some lottery, go win some money. Increase your chances. www.geometrinature.com. You can thank your lucky stars or signals that the spirits taught us this little lesson.
Morning.
Okay. Bye-bye. Good luck. Paranormal Busters.